Listening. Listening is not just a skill, it is truly an art. If you master the art of listening, you are already on your way to becoming a great speaker. A person who listens well naturally speaks well, because listening helps you understand pronunciation, tone, and the flow of real conversations. To improve your English, make it a habit to listen every day. Spend at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening listening to English. You can listen to podcasts, news, songs, or conversations, anything that helps your ears get familiar with the language. Over time, this daily practice will strengthen your listening skills and also make your speaking more natural and confident. Remember, a good listener is always a good speaker. Listening daily is like planting seeds. With patience and consistency, your ability to understand and speak English will grow beautifully.